Hello guys, good morning. So friends, this is my 8th day of English speaking challenge. So guys, so guys, I want to tell you something very important. So listen to it very carefully. If you want to learn English, then start listening right away and right now. And since today only. And you will see after listening to the videos, you will get some words from the videos. Means that will that will take place into your mind, that will take place in your mind, that what does it mean. This word is very suitable, this word is very unique, this is a very unique word. So what does it mean, you have to find that also. But listening is very important than speaking. So start listening right now and right away and since today. Okay, because listening gives you the clarity of speaking. I also used to listen. That's why I'm also listen. I also used to listen a lot. I also used to listen a lot, and because of listening, I'm speaking like this. So every day I listen a video. Every day I used to listen to every day I used to listen to a video of an English. Every day I used to listen to an English video, and because of that video, I used and because of that video I get the clarity of speaking, that how to speak and how to pronounce this word, yes. So pronunciation is very important while speaking. Pronunciation is very important while speaking because rec- have you heard have you heard recognize means पहचानना. And in the former days I used to pronounce recognize, but after listening to the video but after listening to a video but after listening but after listening to a video, I watched a video, and in the video it was pronouncing recognize. So after listening to the video, I get the clarity of pronunciation. So listening is very important. If your words are if you are stumble if you are stumble you are unable to pronounce a word. Start listening to the videos. Start listening to the videos who used to describe the things in English, okay. So so guys, start listening to the videos who used to describe the things in English, okay. And by listening by listening by listening daily on a listening daily, you will see some improvements in you. And because of the improvement you can show your okay. And because of talents you can show, and because of listening you can show your talents. Means first means, okay, let me give you an example. Okay, let me give you an example. Okay, let me give you an example. Let's understand with an example. Okay, let's understand with an example. So suppose there is a child of 1 year. Okay, there is a child of 1 year, and he's a very new, and he's a newborn baby. Okay, and he doesn't, and he or she doesn't know how to speak. So how he starts speaking. So how he starts learning to speak. How he starts learning to speak. The formula is he or she listens a lot. And after listening to the and after listening to the and after listening to the environment, and after listening to the ones who arounds her, and after listening to the and after listening to the and after listening to his or her relatives, to and after listening to her parents, and after listening to her or his parents or relatives, because of them they started they start learning to speak. So this is the process of learning a language. Means I'm speaking Hindi, so how I learned how to speak Hindi, because of my parents, because of my surroundings, because of my environments. if my if my environments would be speaking if my environments each and every if if the peoples around me would be speaking in English, then then what I would then what I would learn then what I would learn to speak then what I would learn to speak Definitely it's English. If they would be speaking in English, if the people around me would be speaking in English, then what I would learn to speak? It's definitely English. Definitely it's English here. So the environment is very important. Means means whenever you are whenever if you are means if you are a if there okay, suppose there are four doctors, and you know nothing about the doctoring, and you know nothing about the treatment about and you know no- and you know nothing about doctors, that how they treat, what they do, what is their plans. You know nothing. Okay, you know nothing about doctors, about the doctor's line. Okay, and thereafter you start living with them. Then after some days you will become the fifth doctor of theirs. You will become the fifth doctors from them. You will become the fifth doctors from them. So environment is very important. If you are surrounded if you are surrounded with the if you are surrounded with the English environment, then you will definitely learn to if you are surrounded with the English language, then you will definitely learn to speak English. And if you are surrounded with the Hindi language, then you will definitely learn to speak Hindi. So environment plays an important role in our life, and practice is very important. And with whom you will practice? The camera is your friend. So you can talk to the camera. By showing yourself. Yes, you can talk to the camera by showing yourself. Yes, and by the help of camera you will get confidence also. And by showing yourself in the camera, you will get some confidence. Yes, your confidence level will be high. Your confidence level will be high, and it will be happened because of practice, because of having practiced, because of practicing, and it will be happen because of practicing. So practice. So always practice a lot. So you should practice very much. You have to practice very much regarding learning English. Regarding learning English. Okay, if you want to become a very good communicator, then start learning the English. Start learning English. So this is all about today. See you in the next video at the same time, at the same place. Until you take care. Goodbye.